Hi children, welcome back to our English class. In the previous class, we learned about Mikhail and his condition in the Armenian camp. Today we are going to discuss why Mikhail went to Anatolian camp. One day, unable to bear it further, Mikhail went to the other side of the place where the Anatolians were. They also had fled from the Turkish massacres in Asia Minor. Mikhail had been told that there was a nursing mother there who might take pity on his baby. So there he went full of hope. One day, unable to bear the cries of the newborn baby, all the Armenians are chasing him away from the camp. So he decided to go to the Anatolians' camp. Mikhail heard that there was a nursing mother. She might take pity on his baby. So he decided to went the Anatolians' camp. Who were these Anatolians? They were the refugees from Anatolia, a neighboring region of Armenia in Asia Minor. Asia Minor is a peninsula comprised of Armenian highlands and major parts of modern Turkey. They also fled from Turkish massacres in Asia Minor. Massacres means mass killing. They also fled because of the mass killing prevalent in the Turkish Empire. So Mikhail went to the Anatolian camp full of hope. He thought that the nursing mother might take pity on his baby and she will nurse this infant brother. Their camp was like the same mystery. Old women were crouched on pallets on the ground. Barefooted children played about in pools of dirty water. As he approached, several old women rose to ask what he wanted, but he walked on and stopped only at the opening of a tent. From the interior of the tent came the sound of a wailing infant. Have pity on this poor orphan and gave him a little milk. I am a poor Armenian, he said in Greek. At his appeal, a lovely dark woman appeared. She held in her arms an infant blissfully sucking the maternal breast, its eyes half closed. Let's see the kid. Is it a boy or a girl? Mikhail's heart trembled with joy. Several neighbors had come closer to see, and they helped him to take from his shoulders the sack where the baby brother was held. With curiosity, they leaned over. He drew back the cover. Their camp was like the same misery. This Anatolian camp was same as the Armenian camp, same misery, adhe kashtapadu. Old women were crouched on pallets on the ground. Pallets means straw mats. Crouched, kuni irikya. The old women were crouched on pallets on the ground. Barefooted children, showing that they have no chapels, played about in pools of dirty water, like our slums. As he reached there, several old women rose to ask what he wanted. Several women asked what he wanted, but he walked on. He continued his journey and stopped only at the opening of a tent. Which tent is that? Where the sound of a wailing infant was coming. Have pity on this poor orphan and give him a little milk. I am a poor Armenian, he said in Greek. He pleaded the ladies that please give some milk to my infant brother. At his appeal, a lovely dark woman appeared. She held in her arms an infant blissfully sucking the maternal breast, its eyes half closed. At his appeal, at his pleading, a lovely dark woman appeared there. She held in her arms, she was holding an infant. Blissfully, what does it mean by blissfully? Happily is sucking the maternal breast. Its eyes half closed. It indicates that the baby was happy and comfort in the hands of its mother. Let's see the kid. Is it a boy or a girl? കാണട്ടെ. Is it a boy or a girl? Mikhail's heart trembled with joy. He was very happy. Several neighbors had come closer to see, and they helped him to take from his shoulders the sack where the baby brother was held. With curiosity, with anxiety, they leaned over. He drew back the cover. Trembled means shake or vibrate. His heart was vibrating because of joy. Curiosity means eagerness to know. അറിയാനുള്ള ആകാംക്ഷ. The women gave vent to various cries of horror. The child had no longer anything human about it. The head had become enormous, and the body, of an incredible thinness, was all shriveled up. As until then it had sucked only its thumb. It was all sullen. It was dreadful to see. Mikhail himself drew back in fright. The women gave vent to various cries of horror. Give vent to means the women express. Give vent to means express. The women express various cries of horror out of fear. The child had no longer anything human about it. Nothing human was there in its body. The head had become enormous. The head was very big, and the body of an incredible thinness. Incredible thinness means അവിശ്വസനീയമായ മെല്ലിച്ച അവസ്ഥ, leanness. Was all shriveled up, wrinkled. ചുക്കിച്ചുളിഞ്ഞ അവസ്ഥ. As until then it had suckled only its thumb. It was all swollen. It got only his thumb to suck, so the thumb was all swollen. It was dreadful to see. It was frightening to see. Mikhail himself drew back in fright. Even Mikhail got frightened by seeing his infant brother. It's showing its famished state. All of them together chased him away, threatening. His eyes filled with tears. He went off, bearing the little child still wailing in its hunger. There was nothing to be done. The child was condemned to die of hunger. Mikhail felt himself immensely alone and lost. A chill ran up his spine at the thought that he was carrying such an unlucky child. He slumped down in the shadow of a shed. It was still very warm. All of the Anatolians drove him away, chased him away, threatening. His eyes filled with tears. He was crying, bearing the little child still wailing in his hunger. The infant brother was still crying. There was nothing to be done. He can't do anything. The child was condemned to die of hunger. വിശപ്പിനാൽ മരിക്കാൻ വിധിക്കപ്പെട്ട ഒരു കുഞ്ഞിനെയാണല്ലോ അവൻ ചുമക്കുന്നതെന്ന് അവൻ വിചാരിച്ചു. Condemned means sentenced or destined. വിധിക്കപ്പെടുക. Mikhail felt himself immensely alone and lost. He felt loneliness and lost. He had nothing left. Mikhail felt himself immensely means largely alone. He felt loneliness and lost. A chill ran up his spine at the thought that he was carrying such an unlucky child. A chill means a sense of fear ran up his backbone at the thought that he was carrying such an unlucky brother. He slumped down in the shadow of a shed. He slumped down means just like വീഴുന്ന പോലെ അവൻ ഇരുന്നു. In the shadow of a shed. It was still very warm. The weather condition there was still warm. Okay, thank you children. We can meet in the next class.